hi, it's Liz here, and I'm back with card number 14, and the prompt for the full deck challenge this week is turquoise and staples. So I've gathered some turquoise bits. I've got some paint, swatch chips paint from my little bundle of paint leaflets, pamphlets. I use these quite a lot. I think they're pretty good to use. So anyway, I've got three turquoisey colours, and I've got a little bundle from kind of modern scrapbooky type ephemera, little bits, and I've got a postage stamp just in case I decide to use that. I've got a little bit of turquoise fabric, I've got some turquoise ink, and my stapler. So I just thought we would just do a really simple collage with some of these bits. I definitely want to use these, so I'm kind of thinking maybe down the side here. I haven't even picked out any paper to do the background because I thought that more than likely my bits, all my little collaged bits, would probably cover the card. So let's just play around with what we've got here. I do like this house. I don't want to cover up I've got dream big, quite like that. Don't want to cover up too much of my house though. See that, because it curls that way, doesn't cover up the house too much. I think I quite like the feather. I wonder if we could somehow get everything on. But I do quite like to leave like a bit of the playing card. How can we do that? So there's that. Oh, now I wonder if we could be fancy and cut round the door, but leave it. Where does it sit? It could actually, if I cut so that the door opens but keep it on, wouldn't that be fancy? And then just maybe bend that bit back like that. Would that? Yeah. I think we'll do that for sure, but I think as well we will definitely put these. Now, how am I going to, maybe what we'll do is we'll just staple these, not staple them onto the card, just put a staple down the side. That didn't work. That's it. So if we staple down, is this going to act up? All right, let's give that another go. There. That's better. Right, so we've got our staples. And we can just do that. And that down the side. And then maybe that and that. And I've got my piece of fabric. And that can maybe go there. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. That doesn't really fit. That's quite good. So we could either have that like that or the feather. I think I quite like that. Right, okay. And then we'll ink around the edge. Right, so let's stick down the house first. So I've got my sticky oh, this is nearly done. I will need to get my new one out the drawer and realised it was quite so nearly end. So let's just do that right to the edge. And then put these on. I'm just going to, I think, put them a little bit off the edge because the staple is not making it flat. You know what I mean? Like the other side of the staple is keeping it from going flat, but that's fine. Right, and then this. I think I'm just going to have enough glue at the end of my glue sticks life. Right, and now I need a little. I've managed to get glue all over that. There we are. That will come off once it's dried. Do I want them at a jaunty angle or do I want them straight? I'm going to have them straight. There we are. I maybe should have stapled them onto the card. Anyway, so if we put that there and that there. And we can staple on our little bit of fabric as well. And that means we've used staples 4 times. This bit tickles me. Okay, let's go round the edge. With some chalk ink turquoise gem. There we are. And then my little bit of fabric. Maybe here. I think maybe just in the middle there somewhere. Yeah. Good. Now all we need is the eyelet for joining it onto its mates. Yeah, quite pleased with that. For some reason I stopped doing the back. I was putting the number on the back. In fact, I might go back and put the number because I do like that. I did number 12. And then for some reason, I think I've fallen behind. I think that's what it is, and I'm a bit of a rush. So I didn't do the back of that last one. So we'll need to do the back. It's easy just to put the bit of paper and stamp it on the back. So we'll do that, and we'll do that as well for this one at some point. We'll get the back done. But anyway, we'll get the eyelet on. I've got my crocodile here. Let's see what colour we've got. There is a kind of greeny, bluey, turquoisey colour there. Yeah, that would be perfect. I need the bigger one, and we will just judge the middle. Maybe about there. Give it a squish. Oh, good. And pop it on its ring. Dream big. Yeah, I like that one. It's nice and kind of fresh and clean, if you know what I mean. It's just a nice, easy collage. I think given the last few have been kind of messy, mixed media type, I think it kind of creates a nice contrast from those painterly type ones, I think. And the little door is just so cute that that just does that. I wonder if we should ink the inside of the door. No, let's not make it messy. Let's just keep it nice and clean and white. Okay, so that's us today. Super simple. Thanks for joining me, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.